Hey guys, right now I'm here in Marina Jack, and right now it's literally overflowing. It's the water is going over the dock on the island, so it's really showing I guess it's because of the hurricane is coming. So yeah guys, I'm here in Marina Jack, and we're seeing a lot of flooding on Marina Jack here. So it's really interesting. The bayfront, they call it Sarasota Bayfront, but I call this Marina Jack. But there's a lot of flooding happening right now. Hold on. Look at that. It's all the flooding. The water is going on the sidewalk because of Hurricane Michael is coming in, so we are starting to see a lot of the water coming in. More of the docks underwater. Well, not quite underwater, but it's there. So you're seeing that right now. Sarasota Bay. Crazy weather coming in to Florida. Never seen the boats so high up in the water. It's crazy. More underwater stuff. The boats are so high up above the level that it's almost like they're getting on the dock. They're like gonna go overboard, over in the dock. So that's seawater right there, and then grass. You don't see that every day. It's crazy. As you guys can see, there's that right there. It's like the anchor, and this is the boat, and the water is just coming in. It's right here. It's nuts. This is not normal, and that's just seawater coming in here, and still waiting on that. Oh man, I don't know. There's like some red paint showing, but the water is right here. It's crazy. Yep, crazy water. Wow. Right there. All the way up there. Crazy. And we got our twin dolphins right there. Oh, the water coming in. Wow. I don't know if I want to go on the other side. Oh wow. As you guys can see, this is like flooded right here. Let me go in there so I can show you guys. It's flooded all the way down here towards the end of the roundabout, or the end of the island, Sarasota Bay, Marina Jack, and yeah. Look at that. It's all water, seawater. coming into Sarasota Bay. That's crazy, huh? What do you think about that? It's nuts. That is crazy. Now, a lot of people say we're not gonna get hit by the hurricane, and a lot of people don't really bother preparing because they said that it's not gonna hit us here in Sarasota. But I have a feeling that we're gonna get hit, and the way we're gonna get hit is we're gonna get hit by either surging water and or higher level water that's gonna rise above, and we're gonna get some crazy rain. That's what my opinion. But like I said, that's just my opinion, and trying to cross the walk here. And it's just crazy that a lot of people are not preparing for the hurricane, but you'd rather be prepared than be sorry, you know. I bought my water already, so I'm okay. But it's just crazy. A lot of people are underestimating this Hurricane Michael. So yeah, this is Mill here in Sarasota Bay. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, the water is actually going over the sidewalk here, right there. That's seawater coming in, and I think it's going down now. We don't know. The hurricane is on its way towards, I guess, hitting us, but it's on category 2. So yeah, we're gonna see how this turns out. I'm hoping everybody will be preparing for this, and usually I see a lot of the rocks here, but right now rocks are underwater, so you can see the water is rising here in Sarasota Bay. So we're gonna see a lot of the water also, you can see on the sidewalk, is coming in and going over the sidewalk. So a lot of wind too happening. I hope you guys can hear me right now. There's a lot of wind too happening in Sarasota Bay, but it is really nice. Right now it's not that bad, but the water is on a higher level than its usual level, I guess. That's what we call it. Yeah. It's crazy. And it's windy, so yeah. More of signs that the water is high on a higher level, or an elevated level. So yeah. See, the sidewalk is still very wet. Pretty strong. I'm trying to keep my camera but yeah, everything right now, it's just very windy. Right now at the moment they're doing something by the O'Leary's Tiki Bar. Let me zoom in. They have some big rocks over there that they're passing by, I guess. Pretty crazy. Doing some construction work, I guess. Huh. It's moving a little bit closer here. See what's really going on. What are you guys doing?
We're building what's called a living shoreline.
Ah.
It's a breaker. It's an energy breaker for the seawall.
Ah, okay.
Provides marine habitat.
That's cool. So that's what they're doing.
Several people's projects in place. Well, you got that the other than
That is so cool. So we're here right now at the Leary's Tiki Bar, and I guess they're building the breaker. Just like what the men said. It's pretty cool. And that's it. Alright guys, this is Mill, so that's it for today. Just a little bit of flooding happening in Sarasota Bay. I'm going to try to make some more videos about this Hurricane Michael and how it's affecting Sarasota. You guys have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe. This is Mill. Stay awesome.